Hello! I'm here in Japan and I will be doing an unboxing today. So, let's get started. This item is one of the reasons why we went to Ginza. I've been really wanting to get this one and this is the receipt. I'm so excited. I was about to purchase the one I saw in Manila, but then I realized that since we're going here in Tokyo, so might as well get one from Ginza. So finally I got it, and I really love the color. I was debating between the gray one and pink. This is the signature sea stole in the color gray. So now let me give you a very simple description. This one is made of smooth blend of silk and cotton, and as you notice, it has frayed edges, and it is 58% silk, 22% viscose, 15% cotton, and 5% metallic. And this item is meant to be dry cleaned only. The measurements are 25 inches in width and the length is 84 inches. So that's it. It's a basic design and there it is. You may notice that the color is quite pale on the camera, but the actual color is not really this pale. So this is the receipt, and let's take a look at inside. So just like what I mentioned earlier, I bought it today, April 7, 2019. Thank you for watching.